Hair so soft, silky, and free. I don't need no just for me. Just for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey lovers, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and then we're gonna get to the wig. Now the unit that I am reviewing is another headband unit. This unit does have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and that little thing that you saw me clasping, it comes on the wig and you can adjust it sort of in the back. It does not come with adjustable straps. Now the texture of this particular unit is a loose wave texture, and the headbands that I showed like kind of at the beginning, that also came with the wig. I think you get 1 free headband, but I'm not 100% sure, child, so don't hold me to it, girl. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and style this wig and try on the different headbands. I am also gonna pull this wig up in a ponytail just so you can see what it looked like, but I forgot to show you guys the back, so don't be mad at me, child. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style it and play with the headbands and stuff, and then I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Love, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is the headband wig, honey. Okay, yes, we are coming through with another headband wig. This one is 18 inches. The texture is a loose wave, and it is in a natural color. So yeah, I went on the site and I decided to kind of look it up on the site to get you guys a little more details, and it says the name is Loose Wave Headband Wig Style HBW02. They have on here summer 20 can save $20. Order it can get 2 free headbands. So they have that when you click on it. Okay, so the cap construction is obviously headband wig. The length that I have is 18 inches. If you do decide to get it in this length, it'll be an extra $35. And it says wig type 100% Brazilian human hair, baby hair no, headband yes, headband fee free. Density is 150% density, and the cap size can be adjusted. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details that I see. Now, as far as pricing, I'm gonna go ahead and click on 18 inches. If you were to get this wig in 18 inches, it'll be $120, honey, okay? And that is the length that I have. Now, if you were to get it in 14 inches, it'll only be $85. And if you were to get it in the longest length, which is 24 inches, it'll be an extra $99, so it'll be $184, okay? So yeah, that is all that I have on here as far as that goes. Now, with the cap construction of this wig, it does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Is it adjustable strap? I don't know. Well, they have that adjustable headband thing. So they do have that adjustable headband thing. I don't know about the adjustable straps. If there are adjustable straps, I'll mention it in the intro portion of this video, but I can't remember, child. She can't remember. But it does have that adjustable like little band thing. And as far as the texture, this is a loose wave. I don't know why I had it in my head that this was a body wave. So like the whole time I was like, I'll wait to film it because I'm gonna have to curl it. It's a body wave. And I kept saying that. So all the way up until I got this wig on my head, had it pulled up, filmed a whole nother video. When I took it down, I was like, ooh, this is a good body wave, girl. You ain't even, girl, that's because it ain't body wave, child. It's loose wave, okay? So yeah, this is a loose wave texture. There's no shedding, there's no tangling. This is 150% density, so I feel like when a wig is 150% density, that is more of a natural density of a wig. Like I feel like that particular density mimics the density that most people's hair is. So yeah, child, don't go nowhere, honey. Don't show the bald and of these edges, girl. Okay, ain't nobody trying to show that. But anyway, so yeah, that is the cap construction. There's no shedding, there's no tangling, like, girl, there's none. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the construction goes. As far as the length of this wig, like this is where it comes to me in the front. Like this is it. It's only 18 inches long and it is like curled up. So straightened, it'll be a little longer. Well, not curled up, but waved up. And this is where it comes to me in the back. I feel like you can't even see it. Can you see it? This is where it comes to me in the back. Oh, I got orange. I don't want to be orange. Come back. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much that. If you are interested in how I feel about this wig, how I feel about the texture, all of that good stuff, how I feel about the price, girl, if you're interested, girl, then please continue to watch. Okay, so how do I feel about this wig? I think it is a really cute wig. We love a good throw on and go, girl. You cannot beat a throw on and go type unit. Like that is everybody's dream. I am definitely planning on giving, I have a few of these headband wigs, and I am planning on giving one to my aunt because I feel like they're like perfection for the working mom, for the non-working mom that's just a busy person, a busy woman. I feel like that is like our dream. So you can't go wrong with the headbands, headband wigs. And it's just a matter of changing your headband and just throwing on this wig, running out the door, and not having any issue. Like, I love it. I love the concept. I love everything about the headband wigs. And apparently, judging from the comments that y'all had on my last headband wig video, apparently this used to be a thing back in the day. I didn't know that. I don't remember the headband wig trend. Okay, like somebody let me know what circa this is. Okay, like is this in the 90s? Is it in the 80s? Like somebody let me know when this was because I do not remember it. So yeah, comment down below and let me know when this was a thing before. But it is definitely very convenient. Like the biggest issue is the same issue that I would have with any of them, is the fact that your girl ain't got no edges, honey. Okay, she ain't got no edges. So that is like my only issue with them, but that is like a me problem, girl. Okay, that is a me. That is team my bad for shaving off my edges. So other than that, I don't have any issues with these wigs. Like I think it's perfection. I love that they're human hair wigs, so that means you can do, you know, curl it or straighten it or whatever you want to do. I love that part of it because, you know, great. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. I love this unit. I love the headbands that were sent to me. Like I love literally every one of these. So they sent me 3. I thought they were only going to be sending me 1, and this was the one that I requested because I feel like it goes with my scrubs because I wear navy blue, and because I feel like it'll go with more things, and that's just who I am. But I love these as well. I wouldn't have requested these because I don't have as many, you know, outfits to wear with it. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I love the headband. I love the wig. I love the texture. The hair feels great. It feels, you know, smooth. Hair so soft, silky, and free. I don't need no just for me. Just for me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you feel like it's a look? If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. They do have a few different textures on their site because they did send me that. Let me look and see. They also have the cute curly one, the highlighted straight one. They have a kinky straight one. Ooh, kinky straight, yeah. They have a kinky straight one, they have a highlighted curly one, and they have just a regular straight unit plus this one. So they do have a few different textures on their site. I would definitely recommend you guys just checking them out. You know, find your texture, find your style, find your swag. This is a lazy girl's dream. Like, honey, come through. Come through. So definitely check them out. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.